Okay, for part A, we're going to deal with our whole numbers first. 2 times 3 is 6. And now, when we look at our variables here, since the bases are both h, we can add these exponents. Well, 5 plus negative 5 gives me an exponent of 0. And we've learned that anything to the 0 power is just 1. So we wind up with 6 times 1, which is of course just 6. So my answer here is 6. For part B, there are a couple different ways to do this. One way is to go ahead and subtract these exponents. So if I subtract negative 12 minus 3, since when we divide we subtract, leave, change, opposite, I get negative 15. So that means my answer is m to the negative 15th power, but we're asked to make sure that they're positive exponents. So that means it's complaining, it doesn't like where it is, it wants to go to the bottom. So we put it down on the bottom and now it's happy. So our answer would be 1 over m to the 15th. The other way to do it is to go ahead and tackle this unhappy exponent first, right? He's not happy, he wants to go where he's not, he wants to go down to the bottom. So once we move him down to the bottom, he's not up here anymore. We're just going to put a 1 up there. And now we think about, well, since we're multiplying, what do we do with our exponents? We add them. So either way, you're going to get your denominator is m to the 15th power and 1 in the top. All right, part C, we're going to use our rainbow rule. We have negative 3 to the negative 2nd power. I'm just going to rewrite this and then we're going to deal with every single thing separately. A to the negative 4th to the negative 2nd power. I'm going to multiply those exponents and I wind up with a to the, well, negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. And now with my x, 3 times negative 2 is going to be a negative 6. So when I start to deal with all this stuff, and you know what I really need to do? I need to go ahead and put a parentheses around here. That's really important because it is really negative 3 as the whole number. I need to move the stuff that wants to move, and I need to leave the stuff that wants to stay. So out of all of this, the only thing that's happy is the a, right? He has a positive exponent, so a to the 8th stays right where he is. The x to the negative 6 is going to come down because he's not happy, and now he's happy, so that's x to the 6th. And the negative 3 to the negative 2nd power goes down, so we'll have a negative 3 to the 2nd power, which is 9. So this is your final answer here, a to the 8th over 9x to the 6th.